Gute and welcome to this video, which originally has been planned as a technical walkthrough on Home Assistant's latest release 2023.5 and how you configure locally voice control in Home Assistant using technologies like Whisper and Piper. But during research, another question came into my mind, and this is the era of thinking in two different categories. On the one side, smart home software solutions, and on the other side, voice assistant software solutions. Is this era coming to an end? And what might be the next evolutionary next step? And this is what I will discuss with you in this video. Please let me know in the comments if I should make this technical walkthrough on Whisper Piper thing in Home Assistant. And in the meantime, I will put links to videos from the channels I23 and Louis Everything Smart Home channel with topics on that. So before going into the topic, in this video, I will use live drawing on the screen, which is really pretty cool in my opinion. But on the other side, I am probably the worst drawing person on this planet. So sorry for the graphics, but hopefully you will get the idea. So without further ado, let's go into today's topic. So for that, let's draw a simple box called Smart Home. And smart home software solutions probably work best when connected to external hardware, such as sensors and actors. And the same is for the next box. So let's draw another one called Voice Assistant. And obviously this is working best when connected to external hardware like a microphone and a speaker. So you see where this is going, no? So you see the similarity. And both categories, they provide out of the box some core functionalities. So for the smart home solutions, obviously you can turn switching lights, switching stuff on and off, control some lights, some lamps, lights, blinds, shutters, and so on. And on the voice assistant, there are default capabilities such as asking for the time, weather, setting a reminder, and so on. Both product categories can be expanded by using plugins or modules. Plugins maybe for controlling your television or adding information from your network router as an example, and many more. And on the voice assistant side, you can add capabilities by so-called skills. Maybe asking Wikipedia or playing music. And one of the most requested features or asked questions about in the voice community or voice assistant community is the capability to control smart home solutions. So this seems to be a natural use case for a voice assistant. And what both categories have in common is they are primarily used at home. Another one is they increase, or they try to increase, life comfort. Let's go up a little bit. I know this is a really high top level perspective and there are multiple differences in the details, obviously. But just from this perspective, you can see the similarity. So again, please share your thoughts in the comment box. And by now, so today, this is looking for me like this. We have this smart home bubble and we have this voice assistant bubble with that skill controlled, however, overlay in the middle. And maybe it's time to go here and to think all in one. By this, I do not mean installing 2 products on one Raspberry Pi. I mean, is this the next evolutionary process that these 2 categories will be merged together? And that's it. Please share your thoughts in the comments and let me know if you are interested in this Home Assistant 2023.5 video using Piper and Whisper. So I wish you all a nice rest of the day, and if you like, we might see us next time. Bye!